Before first use of your ABC or ABC-P Combi Oven. In this video, we will cover how to prepare your Vulcan ABC or ABC-P Combi Oven before first use. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule, contact your sales representative. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Burn-off procedure. Prior to the first use, the Combi Oven must undergo a burn-off procedure to release any odors that might result from heating. Follow these quick steps to complete the process. Remove any debris or packaging material from the unit, including the external laser paper shipped with the unit. Using a clean, damp cloth, wipe the inside of the oven and oven racks. Close the oven door. Switch the master power switch to on. Turn the thermostat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and allow the oven to cycle for 45 minutes or until no odor is detected. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.